disease is sick. Poverty is a disease. But is there a cure?
Well, there is. The notion of education eradicates poverty is now a cliche.
What they really need are opportunities.
As the saying goes, give a man a fish and he will live for a day.
Teach a man to fish and he would live for eternity. So let this be a wake-up call.
A shout out to everyone. Instead of giving them alms,
Why don't we propose projects in which you can give them a chance to earn? Because the hard-earned money is better than sympathy. This is Dennis Gabriel Garganera from 4FM5.
and this is Francesca Santa Ana of 104 saying,
At the end of the day, fighting this disease is a collective effort.